So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can download the official free version of the Blender. As you all have been known that the Blender is a open source software, so you don't need to pay anything to it to download the software. Just simply open the any browser on your device. For example, if I open the Chrome browser, and here you need to search for the Blender. Just simply type Blender. Now this is the first website, which is the blender.org. This is a free website which is a computer software to open to edit 3D models or to create 3D models. Now here you're gonna see the latest version, which is the 3.6. You can just simply hit this download button over there. You didn't need to sign in or to pay anything. Just simply hit this download, and when you click there, you can see this here. From here you need to select the version of which you want to download. For example, if you want to download the Mac OS version or the Linux version, or just simply the Windows installer, just simply select it and hit this download button, download Blender. When you click there, the downloading has been now started. You can see the from here you can the downloading has been started, and you can save the location as per your convenience. So by this method you can easily download the free latest version of Blender software. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.